So that's the uplip 1 left. So let's find that. There it is, uplip 1 left, null, of course. Then what do? Well, in math, vector, we get a distance node, and we take the distance from the world position of the ref to the world position of this lip control node, right? We can lose that vector scalar, since of course this is outputting a scalar, and we can plug this into our gradients. So rather than getting the scale of that bone, we're just getting this distance across here. Now obviously this distance doesn't start at 0, and in fact neither did our bone. Our bone started at 1, right? But this now in base at rest is, what's that, 0.0165. So let's go through all of these first things here, the base position key, we want to set it to that, 0.01656, 0.01656. Okay, we'll just get that, we'll go through the other gradients here and pump that into that base position key. Then how far did this thing come down? It was like 20 millimeters, wasn't it? No, that's way too far. Sorry, it was 10 millimeters. My mistake. There we go. And what's this? Well, this is 0.0239. So for this second key, we can do 0.0239. There we go. We see that that's really shrunk up there. So let's just put this to 0.2 end so we can see our keys a bit better, even 0.1 by the looks of it. It just lets us see a bit more spacing in our keys. Let's make the same adjustment to our other gradients here and their keys. Okay, so that's the same thing done for all 3 of those. We see that we're now getting that effect again. That's all operating there as it did. And let's try turning off after IK. We can see that that is working there, and now this works as well, and it's all interactive. We can see that we've got the same going on when we pull on this. And it's interesting that we have got after IK turned off here, because of course, think about it, this null that we're actually getting the position of, yep, that is going towards the mid here, in part based on constraint, which is IK. But the fact of the matter is that by getting the absolute world position of both these nulls, we're able to cheat our way around it. And the consequence is that we don't need the after IK switch on, and we still get all of the same stuff happening like this, but it is fully interactive across both controllers that have an influence on it here.